Hey everyone, it's Lizzie again at Shoes of Hollywood. I've got some more fantastic shoes to review for you. So these are a Eclipse 601. Now these are in a gold chrome. Now the reason they're called Eclipse is because they actually make an eclipse pattern on the floor. I will show you a bit later because we have some sunlight. But as you can see, there's some rhinestones in here. And if you look underneath, there is a mirror on either side, and what that means is the light will hit these rhinestones, it'll then reflect off of this, and it'll produce an eclipse pattern on the ground underneath you. Now these are a 6.5 inch heel. And I'm very excited to show you the eclipse pattern because it's absolutely gorgeous. And we have a sole with some good grip on here so you won't be falling over. I'll just pop these on. They're very comfortable to walk in, and even in this light they look fantastic. Again, it's a 6.5 inch heel. In a gold chrome. Here's the exciting part. I'm going to take them outside. Look at that. You can see the beautiful rings of light they create on the ground, much like an eclipse, hence why their name. Let's take them for a walk. Do a quick spin first. Now, although they haven't got a strap across here, they are very, very secure. I feel very, very secure and comfortable in these. Look at the fantastic patterns it puts on the ground. The rhinestone details inside. Absolutely gorgeous how it catches the light. Beautiful. We head back inside now. Very comfortable to walk in. And they look great. Before we head in, take another look at how fantastic they look. They create that eclipse pattern on the ground, as you can see. And the rhinestones sparkle beautifully in this light. Let's head inside. So again, these are a 6.5 inch heel. So these are the Pleaser Eclipse 601 with a gold chrome finish and beautiful rhinestones on the inside. I'll just take these off. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also press the bell notification so you know about all our new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.